Hi friends, this is Rus, you are watching Rubric. Today's issue is very unusual. Today we have LEGO Technic. I am not a car fan. I don't know cars. I don't drive. I usually go by taxi. I had a car once. That was my parents' car. I used to drive that. The problem is that I want to sleep during driving, and yeah, there were some bad cases, almost accidents, and after that I have some toxic relations with cars. My driver license expired long time ago, and I'm not planning to prolong soon. I'm comfortable with taxi, to sit there and be working comfortable, or book some driver if this is a long ride. Well, why I bought this car? Well, it happened to be that 6 months ago, approximately, I bought that Lambo. It wasn't new, but it was like a new one. Some car lovers bought it, and it was just at their shelf. They bought it for $1,000. Lego's very expensive in our country. And they sell it to me for $100. The box is very good. Instructions, there were extra details, some extra tech details. There's everything. No scratches. It's very cool. I'm collectioner. There was a Black Friday. I bought another several cars. They are not unpacked yet. They have Ferrari and Peugeot. Then I bought Formula 1, also unpacked. Recently there was a discount on Amazon, around $100, and I bought this. And it happened to be that I also bought a Bugatti. I'm not a car lover, but I'm a collectioner, and they look really good on my shelves. Yes, moreover, we'll move soon. They will look good in my big office on shelves. That's why today we will unpack. First time I'm unpacking big tech sets. I don't know how it's made, the mechanism. I wanted to disassemble that Lamborghini, but I'm afraid that I will lose some details and etc. I think if I collect this, no need to deassemble. So together with you, I will collect my first tech after today. That's why. Well, let's start unpacking. Oh, wait. Forgot to say, look at I was shocked when I got my Lambo box, but the Ferrari box is beautiful. It's heavy. Here, 3,778 details. Set is 18 plus. Now we go. I don't know what's there, but maybe you can see something. The box is gone. Oh, hoo, hoo. Whoa, a car, another car, and I think this is the back of a car. Headlights, grille, yes, that's right. Like in a Lambo, there are 3 boxes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's very heavy. Instructions, 100%. And I'm a box collectioner also. I don't know why I do this, but this box, even if I wasn't a box lover anyway, I would keep it. Because that's amazing. Well, the Lambo box looks like an engine, but this one not inferior, I would say. So what do we do? Should I open this? Let's unpack first one. Usually I open everything. Wow, look at this. This is like a gift. These are great sets for a gift. Such books we have here. Oh, amazing, guys. Like this. What's next? Right, packs. I think I will take out all the packages. Done. Such details. Okay, and these details. At the end, I think my fingers will be done because it's really hard to construct technical details. Painful. Well. Woo! Woo! What do I see? Discs back. One full. Here it is, handsome. In. Come on. Summer tires. Here we have LEGO history and Ferrari history. LEGO 1934, Ferrari 1947. LEGO is older than Ferrari. The car's picture. This is Ferrari designer, Flavio Mazzoni, chef designer, that's right. And here two designers discussing the concept. Great, very good. Each detail. Engine. Woo! I'm ready. Guys, I don't know what to start first. That was a huge experience. Very hard construction. Now I know how that's hard to be mechanic. Now I know what are the cool gift sets from LEGO. As I already said, I have a Lamborghini, but I haven't collected it. I wanted to try to deassemble it to collect again to check if everything is there for the sale. That's good that I didn't do that. Well, everything works fine, yes. I started the Ferrari, finally. Ooh. I want to say one thing. Be attentive when you are collecting tags. You need to recheck every page. Even though I tried a lot, there were some details at the end that I didn't have a clue at all. And I was searching everywhere in catalog. Search what I missed. What did I miss? I like that I didn't deassemble everything. I just stuffed and put everything there. I almost broke some details. Well, that's the conclusion. I'm happy for this set. A cool car. I'm planning to place it vertically on my shelves or on the wall. Well, I also have some sport cars, Bugatti on the way. That's why we will see you soon. Well, I'm not very happy with the process of collection because it's very difficult, dreary. I've been collecting, I think, 2 days. And I spent about 15 hours collecting 3,778 details. I think I would have finished 6,000 LEGO Classic details during this time. But the finish, this is very good. Well, what do we see here? We can open the roof. We have cool sets. The hood. We don't have a special back like in a Lambo. We can open the trunk in which we see an engine. Yes. Wheels, discs. Very beautiful. What do I say? Well, guys, I like the results, but not the process. It's terrible. I hurt my fingers. But I know that I will face this again, fill my collection further. Maybe I will get used to it. I think if I wasn't filming for YouTube and wasn't being in a rush, I think I would be having fun. I would split it for less hours with relax, 500 details a day. Just to have some rest sometimes. But when you rush, it's impossible. This is Ferrari Daytona SP3. Let's look at it. Engine, wheels, everything works very good. I think these are the speed switches. That's it. A lot of printed details. No stickers. I am happy for this. I think if I had seen stickers, I would go crazy. That's right. Thank you for watching the issue till the end. For collecting this difficult technical set with me. I am definitely not going to collect another LEGO Technics with building cars. Yes, I'm on my way already. I will keep doing it. It was Rus, Rubric Channel, LEGO Technic. Bye.